look who sent your girl a PR package, girl, The Bubble. So let's get it. So very excited. I didn't even know I was getting a PR package from them. So let's see what your girlie got. Ooh, get into, I love the blue packaging. Look at this. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Like, I never got a PR package from Bubble. A very teen, affordable, like, skincare. This is your girl some stickers, some Bubble stickers, period. Skincare. I don't care what y'all say. I'm saying this, boss. Like, look at this. And let's get in what they sent me. They sent me. Okay, so if you have not seen Inside Out, that movie is so cute. Look what I'm keeping this. Look at this. They sent me the Daydream Tone and Texture Serum Vitamin C from Inside Out. Like, look at that packaging. Oh my gosh. Then they sent me the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. And then they sent me the moisturizer. Like, look how cute these are, besties. Ah, oh my gosh. If you're seeing this, thank you so much. I'm very thankful for this. Like, look how cute this is. Like, oh my gosh.